Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So long back I did a video on lip peel off tattoo in which you apply a liquid on your lips and once it was dry you just peel it off and you get a very natural looking long lasting color on your lips. So now the same concept has come up with eyebrows. So here you apply a liquid on the eyebrows and you peel it off and you get a tint on the eyebrows. So initially I was not really keen on doing it because in this case you are applying the liquid directly on your skin, and I always thought that while peeling off it might just remove some hair from the eyebrow. I don't know, but recently I've seen a lot, like literally a lot of people doing it. A lot of people are trying it out, and in most cases the result is really positive. Like the result is really good. So I thought even I'll give it a try. So I ordered this Maybelline tattoo brow gel tint from Amazon and it is for 600 rupees. So the instructions say that you have to apply the liquid on your eyebrow in the desired shape, then you have to let it dry for at least 20 minutes and then you just have to peel it off. But I also read somewhere that you can let it dry between 20 minutes to 2 hours. So if you let it dry for 20 minutes, then you'll have the color, then you'll have the tint for the whole day, for one day. But if you let it dry for like 2 hours, then you'll have the color for 3 days straight. But I'm just gonna do it for 20 minutes because I'm just trying it for the first time. This is what the bottle looks like, and I'm just gonna open it, and I think the tip is too thick. I'm gonna apply it now. Okay, so this is like really dark, but that is probably because I have applied a lot of product so that it is a little thick, and so that when I remove it, it peels off easily. But I also hope that this is not the color when I peel it off. I really want it to be a little light. I've done the other side also, and I forgot to tell you guys that this comes in 3 shades, that is light brown, medium brown and dark brown, and this one is in medium brown. It says to wait at least for 20 minutes, so just to be on the safer side I'll wait for 30 minutes and then we'll peel it off. Okay, so it has been 30 minutes and it has completely dried. The product is completely dry. So now we'll peel it off. Okay, so I have removed the product and I am really liking it because it looks really natural, and I didn't expect it to be this good. I thought that my hair will get removed or at least 1 or 2 hair will pluck out, but not even a single hair has plucked out. And the color, I wanted a little light color and it is light and it looks, I'm loving it. Now I'm just cleaning my eyebrows with a brush to make sure that no more product is left. Okay guys, so like I told you, I really liked it. I honestly did not expect it to be this good, and the color is also not coming off. You can see no color is coming off, and yes, it's a thumbs up for me. And yes, this was also really fun to do. I loved doing it. I will also recommend you guys to try it once because it is actually worth trying. And that'll be all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and most importantly subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.